crypto market is growing, but it's still a baby. Don't believe us? Let's take a look at how crypto stacks up against the big, bad billionaires of the world. Starting off, we have Ripple coming with a market cap of $23 billion, followed by Ethereum's $47 billion. These two projects, with thousands of people employed, only come to a bit over the net worth of the world's new favorite peeping Tom, Mark Zuckerberg, who has $64 billion. And, of course, Bitcoin's grumpy old neighbor, Warren Buffett, with $84 billion in his piggy bank. But even Warren Buffett can't compete with Bitcoin anymore, which has a market cap of $135 billion. But could a couple of billionaires take it down? With a combined net worth of $202 billion, there are still just two individuals which hold greater wealth than all the Bitcoins in the world combined. But with the entire cryptocurrency market cap jumping back over $300 billion, things are looking up. And as it grows, who knows how high it can climb? Will we see cryptocurrency beat the 20 richest people with a combined net worth of $1.2 trillion? Will it climb higher than California's GDP of $2.6 trillion? Or even someday, will we see cryptocurrency be more valuable than the entirety of the United States GDP? Bitcoin is a growing boy and will only have a bright future ahead. Like, subscribe, and hodl.